कुलम हांगच्या पलूर ए.जे. हॉलांत जातले. भारताच्या वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांतल्यान सुमार 700 प्रतिनिधी ह्या परिशदेंत वांटो घेतले. ह्या सुवाळ्याचे उक्तावण 22 नोव्हेंबरा सकाळी नामनेचे लेखक आनी सरस्वती सन्मान प्राप्त साहित्यकार प्रभा वर्मा हांच्या हस्तुकीं जातले. बरोबर नव्या कोंकणी साहित्य कृतींचे प्रकाशन उक्तावण सुवाळ्या वेळार जातले. गोंयचो नामनेचो कोंकणी लेखक माधव बोरकर ह्या कार्यावळीचे अध्यक्षपद सांबाळटलो.
As our friend told, Prabha Verma will be opening the Sammelana. Then we have almost 4 different prize winners, Sahitya Academy awardees. We are felicitating to them. Then there will be 2 symposiums and 2 discussions. This year, that is 358th year of the Hortus Indicus Marbaricus certificate. So we are having one session of half an hour on that topic also. The literary presentation will also be there. The Sahitya Academy awardees will present or recite their poems and short stories at the Sammelana. Local writers and poets will present their stories and poems at the Sammelana. And concluding will be on 23rd, that is Sunday, at around 3:30 p.m. And Chief Justice N.S. Nagresh will of High Court Kerala will be the chief guest, and Jain Kaikini, who is the renowned poet and story writer of Kannada, will be a guest of honor. Madhav Borkar is from Goa, will be the Sammelana Dhaksha for this year, and he is an eminent poet and a critic. He has awarded with Sahitya Academy his creative writing as well as translations. He will be there for 2 days, and his interview is also will be there on first day. Also will be there of 1.5 hour, that 6 o'clock, and 2 items from Goa folklore will be presented over here at 6 o'clock. And the sari dance, famous sari dance and Kokni Fugdo will be presented by the local people, local artists. We will be releasing approximately 15 Kokni books. 5 of those will be from Kerala. The writers are from Kerala, and it is in prose as well as poetry. One edit is also there. Then rest of the books are from Karnataka and Goa. Altogether 15 books we are publishing on that day. Policy of All India Kokni Parishad is to transliterate from other scripts. Kokni is written now in almost 3 to 4 scripts. One is Roman Kokni, Roman script, Kannada script, Malayalam script. They are writing, but it is very little. Most of the Kerala persons are writing in Devanagari script. And Devanagari, of course, is natural script. And we deliberately transliterating the other scripts to Devanagari script. One book of under that scheme will be released at the time of inaugural session. Providing accommodation almost for 450 people, those who are coming from outside other states and faraway places from Kerala. Only local person will be coming for the program and going back to their home.
23 नोव्हेंबराक जावपी समारोप सुवाळ्याक केरळ उच्च न्यायालयाचे न्यायाधीश न्यायमूर्ती नागरेश मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण हजर रावतले. नामनेचो कन्नड लेखक जयंत कायकिणी हो मानाचो सोयरो म्हूण उपस्थित आसतलो. 2 दिसांच्या ह्या परिशदेंत साबार सत्रां आसतली. कोंकणी साहित्यान इतिहासीक कादंबरी, कोंकणी साहित्याचो हेर भाशेंतलो अणकार अशा तरेचे साबार सत्रां जातलीं. ते भायर तरेकवार साहित्यीक सादरीकरणाय जातलीं. 22 तारखेच्या सांजेवेळार केरळ आनी गोंयचे कलाकार वेगवेगळे संस्कृतीक कार्यावळी सादर करतले.
The voice for Goy.